श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्। शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। वागीशाद्यासुमनसः सर्वार्थानां उपक्रमे नत्वा कृतकृत्यास्यूतं नमामि गजाननं। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। यो नित्यमच्युतपदाम्बुजयुग्मरुक्मव्यामोहततराणि तृणाय मेने अस्मद्गुरोः भगवतोऽस्य दैकसिन्धो रामानुजस्य चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये। यस्य स्मरणमात्रेण द्वैतवासना प्रमुच्यते बोधात्मकाय नमस्तस्मै भगवते श्रीरमणमहर्षये। हृदाकाशे सदा भान्तं शान्तमानन्दरूपिणं ज्ञानभानुमहं वन्दे सद्गुरुं श्रीसत्यसायिनं मम अन्तर्यामिनम्। दोर्भिर्युक्ता चतुर्भिस्फटिकमणिमयीमक्षमालां ददानास्ते नैकेन पद्मं शतमभिषेचकं पुस्तकं चापरेण वासा कुन्देन्दुशङ्खस्फटिकमणिनिभा समाना समाना सा मे वाग्देवतेयं निवसतु वदने सर्वदा सुप्रसन्ना। कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरमधुराक्षरमारुह्य कविताशाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलं। वाल्मीकिर्मुनिसिंहस्य कवितावनचारिणः शृण्वन् रामकथानादं को न याति परां गतिम्। यः पिबन् सततं रामचरितामृतसागरमतुर्तस्तं मुनिं वन्दे प्राचेतसमकल्मषम्। गोष्पदीकृतवारीशं मशकीकृतराक्षसं रामायण महामालारत्नं वन्दे अनिलात्मजमञ्जनानन्दनं वीरं जानकीशोकनाशनं कवीशमक्षयन्तारं वन्दे लङ्काभयङ्करम्। उल्लङ्घ्य सिन्धो सलिलं सलीलं यशोकवन्यं जनकात्मजाय आदाय तेनैव ददाह लङ्कां नमामि तं प्राञ्जलिराञ्जनेयम्। आञ्जनेयमधिपाटलहननं काञ्चनाद्रिकमनीयविग्रहं पारिजाततरुमूलवासिनं भावयामि भवमाननन्दनं। यत्र यत्र रघुनाथकीर्तनं तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिं बाष्पवारि परिपूर्णलोचनं मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकं मनोजवं। मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरयूथमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शिरसा नमामि। वाल्मीकिगिरिसम्भूता रामसागरगामिनी पुनादिभुवनं पुण्या रामायण महानदी। वेदवेद्ये परेवंसि जाते दशरथात्मजे वेदप्राचेतसा दासीत् साक्षात् रामायणात्मनाथतुपगतसमाससन्धियोगं सममधुरोपनार्थवाक्यबद्धं रघुवरचरितं मुनिप्रणीतं दशशरसश्च वदं निशामयध्वं। मा निषादप्रतिष्ठां त्वमगमशाश्वती समाह यत्करोमि मिथुनादेकमवधीः काममोहितम्। आपदामपहर्तारं दातारं सर्वसम्पदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहम्। रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेदसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। वैदेही सहितं सुरद्रुमतले हैमे महामण्डपे मध्ये पुष्पकमासने मणिमये वीरासने सुसितमग्रे वाचयति प्रपञ्चनसुते तत्त्वं मुनिभ्यः परं व्याख्यान्तं भरतादिविपरिवृतं रामं भजे श्यामलम्। वामे भूमिसुतापरश्च हनुमान् पश्चात् सुमित्रासुतः शत्रुघ्नो भरतश्च पार्श्वदलयोः वायुवादकोनेषु च सुग्रीवश्च विभीषणश्च विराट्तारासुतो जाम्भवान् मध्ये। नीलसरोजकोमलरुचिं रामं भजे श्यामलं। गुरुवर्ते त्यक्तराज्यो व्यचरधर्मनं पद्मपद्भ्यां प्रियायाः पाणिस्पर्शाक्षमाभ्यां मृजितपदरुजो यो हरीन्द्रानुजाभ्यां वैरूप्या शूर्पणख्या प्रियविरहर्षारोपितभ्रूविजृम्भत्रस्ताब्धिः बद्धसेतुः कलदवदघनः कौसलेन्द्रो वदान्नः। जानकीकान्तस्मरणं जय जय राम राम आञ्जनेय स्वामी की जय। At any point in time, all the plans that have been laid, all the ideas that we have carefully constructed can all collapse just like that. That does not mean that one does nothing. One does everything, but with the knowledge that anything can happen at any point in time. Dasharatha Maharaja was given all kinds of instructions and orders to organize the coronation tomorrow of Rama as the crown prince. Enters into Kaikeyi's chambers to tell her the good news. प्रियार्हां प्रियम आख्यातुं विवेशान्तः पुरं वशी. Dasharatha Maharaja entered into Kaikeyi's apartments in order to inform her about Adhya Ramabhisheko Vai. Rama's coronation is going to happen. We need to inform that news to Kaikeyi, who was very dear to him. He entered into that apartment, and when he came in, he saw that the whole place was in shambles. It did not have the usual charm, the usual welcoming heir to it. When he comes in and does not find Kaikeyi in her usual spot, he asks all the people around, what happened, where is the queen? Abdina, the servants, all of them say she is in the room of anger. Room of anger, Abdina, he said, why should she be there? Pratiharya vachashrutva raja paramadurmanaha vishasada punarbhuyo lulitavya kulendriyaha. He became very agitated, he became very aggrieved when he heard that Kaikeyi was angry. Yeah? Why is Kaikeyi angry? What happened? She is dear to me than my life itself. Why is she angry? What happened to her? He enters into the chamber and he sees her lying upon the ground, bare ground, having cast aside all her jewels, clad only in soiled raiment. She is lying there like a severed creeper. Latam iva vinishkritam patitam devatam iva kinnarim iva nirdutam chutam apsara samyatam ayam iva paribrashtam harinim iva samyatam. Poetic beauty of Valmiki Bhagavan. So many different similes he gives to how Kaikeyi is lying there. Latam iva vinishkritam, like a severed creeper. Patitam devatam iva, like a fallen goddess. Kinnarim iva nirdhutam, like a kinnari thrown onto the ground. Chutam apsara samyata, like an apsaras who has fallen down. Mayam iva paribrashtam, hari, like a carefully constructed illusion torn down. Harinim iva samyata, like a female deer that has been caught in a net. Arahana descriptions to show how Kaikeyi was lying there. Raja Khanal அப்படி தெரிகிறது. ஆனால் அவள் யாரு அப்படின்னா பாப சங்கல்பாம் ததர்ஷ தரணீதலே. Valmiki's ஐஸ்ல Valmiki says Papa Sankalpam, she of a sinful resolve. But in Dasharatha's eyes, Abdina, like a creeper, like a flower, gentle flower creeper, like a apsaras, like a kinnari, like a poor female deer. Abdina, why are you upset? Why are you sad? You have entered into the chamber of anger. I hope you are not angry with me. Na teham abhijanami krodham atmani samshritam. I hope you are not angry with me. Has someone offended you or disrespected you? Why are you lying down in the dust like this? It is giving me great sorrow. When I am here, favorably disposed towards you, why should you unnecessarily have to suffer like this? Why should you have to lie down in this soil like this, on the ground like this, as though somebody who has been bhuto pakata chitteva mama chitta pramadini? You are lying there as though you have been possessed by a ghost. Ennachu? If something is wrong, we will call all the best doctors. They will immediately come and restore you to good health. Tell me your ailment, or has somebody caused you any displeasure? Tell me, should I punish somebody? Should I reward somebody? You don't cry, Ma Rodirma Chakar Shistong Devi Samparishoshanam Avadyo Vadyatam Kova Vadyo Vimuchata. Avadyo Vadyatam. If you want a person that does not deserve death, I will kill. Or a person that deserves to be killed, I will release. Enna achu chollu, ask me. I will make a poor man rich. Daridrahako bhavaddavadyo. I will make a poor man rich, or will make a rich man poor as per your command. You tell me, if anybody has done anything against you, I will do anything for that. Even if I have got to Atmano jivite na pibruhi yanmanas chesasi. Even if it means sacrificing my life, I will do it for you. I promise I will do it for you. Whatever it is, do not keep this silence. Tell me, speak to me. என்ன வேணும்? My authority runs over so many different kingdoms. प्राचीना सिंधु सौवीरा सौराष्ट्रा दक्षिणा पताका वंगा अंगा मगधाका मत्स्याका समृद्धा काशिकोसलाका. எங்க இல்ல? Our kingdom is widespread. Sindhu Sauvira, Saurashtra, the southern regions, Anga, Vanga, Magadha, Matsya, Kashi, Koshala, all of these states, all of these kingdoms belong to me. Which of these you want? I will give you anything you want. When we are the lords, supreme lords, we've got wealth, we've got food grains, we've got cattle, we've got elephants, we've got horses, we've got all kinds of wonderful things. Whatever it is, I can give it to you. When you are married to such an extraordinary Chakravarti and when you are his favorite wife, why are you crying and lamenting in this manner? What is it you want? You tell me. I will give it to you. But don't torture me with the sorrow of yours. Tell me what is happening. அப்படின்னு தசரதா becomes very emotional and cries to Kaikeyi. On hearing the king say all of this, slowly Kaikeyi says, nobody has offended me, nobody has disregarded me, but there is something I want. You alone can fulfill that. If you will fulfill it, if you will promise to fulfill it to me, then I will reveal them to you. Chumma, I am not going to tell you. If you give me a promise that yes, I will do whatever it takes, I will give it to you. Abdin, if you can promise, then certainly I will tell you what it is. But the king smiled. Tamuvacha mahatejaha Kaikeyim Ishadutsmitaha Kami hastena sangrihya மூர்தஜேஷு சுச்சிஸ்மிதா. ஒரு வார்த்தை காமின்னு போடுறாரு இங்க. Kami, the one who was besotted with love for Kaikeyi, the king held Kaikeyi's hands gently with a small smile. He says, Avalipte na janasi tvatta priyataro mama. Avalipte அப்படின்னா ஓ ப்ரவுட் ஒன் அப்படின்னு அர்த்தம். அவலிப்தா ஆவலிப்தா அப்படின்னா ஒன் ஹூ இஸ் ப்ரவுட்னு அர்த்தம். ஓ ப்ரவுட் உமன் அப்படின்னு அர்த்தம்னா இது ஒரு என்டியர்மெண்ட் தான். ஓ யூனோ a lady who holds her head high, in pride, அந்த மாதிரி. not condemning her. Avalipte na janasi tvatta priyataro mama manujo vyagrad ramadanyo na vidyate. Don't you know? Na janasi va? Do you not know that apart from you there is no other woman who is as dear to me, and apart from Rama there is no other man who is dear to me. More than you I do not love anybody, more than Rama I do not love any man. அப்படி இருக்கிறதுனால, since you are asking me this thing, I will tell you, on Rama's name I promise you, I will give you whatever you want. You tell me what do you want. Raghavena mukyena shapete. On Rama's name I promise you, I will give you whatever it is that you want. You tell me what you want. Samuhurtam apashyanstu na jeeveyamaham dhruvam tena ramena Kaikeyi shapete vachanakriyam. In the name of Rama, without whose company I cannot live even for a muhurta kala, on his name I promise you. See the choice, the way these words have been selected by Dasharatha. He says, without Rama I cannot survive even for an hour. On the name of that Rama without whom I cannot survive, I promise you I will give you whatever you want. Is this not enough clue to Kaikeyi that this man really may actually meet his end if I persist in this? If I ask for Rama like this, then what will happen to this king? If I ask for Rama to go to the forest, I will, whatever you want, I will give you. Barahan or Vakya vera chalra. आत्मनावात्मजैश्च अन्यैर्वृणेयं मनुजर्षभं तेन रामेण कैकेयी शपेते वचनक्रियाम्. வார்த்தை இது கொழுப்பு பிடிச்ச வார்த்தை. அது ஆத்மனாவா அன்யைஹி ஆத்மஜைஷ்ச, either by giving up my life or by giving up the lives of my other sons, I will fulfill whatever it is that you want. This in the name of Rama, I promise you. This is adding fuel to the fire. Yeah, oh, so you will sacrifice Bharata if somebody asks. Liya, adan theriyirde. Atmanava atmajaischa anyaihi vrineyam manujarshabham tena ramena kaikeyi shapete vachanakri. Ni kelu enna vadumo kelu, but I will give up even at the expense of my life or the sons, all the other sons, I will do whatever is necessary for. So tell me what you want, but don't cry like this. அப்படின்னு கேட்குறேன். भद्रे हृदयमप्येतत् अनुमृष्योद्धरस्व मे एतत् समीक्ष्य कैकेयी ब्रूहि यत्साधु मन्यसे. भद्रे, O gentle one, O auspicious lady, I am feeling terribly sad. Touch my heart and deliver me from my distress. Uddharasva, uplift me from my distress. Considering all of this, tell me what is necessary. You know full well the power that you have over me. Do not doubt me. I promise you in the name of all the earned merits that I have that I will give you whatever you want. I promise you. When the king uttered these words, now only Kaikeyi is happy to say what she wanted to say. This observation. The emotional power that the people around us seem to have on us because of attachment is very visible in the behavior of Dasharatha and Kaikeyi. He is a king. Velila paatha bhaiya king. Outside he is the great king. Everybody has to tremble in front of him. He himself declares, I am the lord and the ruler of so many different countries and territories. I can do whatever I want. I can take away the life of a man who deserves to live or extend the life of a man who deserves to die. I can make a rich man poor, poor man rich. I can do whatever I want. And in the end, when he comes home and his wife starts to cry and throw a tantrum, this man is weakened. He is falling down and begging her, Amma, please relieve me from my distress. Why are you crying? Tell me what you want. Tell me what you want. Generally, they say that women are the weaker sex. I think that was made up by women. Weaker sex, it was made up by women. I don't think a man in his right mind would ever call a woman weak. I think this was something that no man would have said it. Women must have created this illusion. We are very weak. The power that a woman has over a man is known right from a child's birth. The power that a mother has over the son, all through right until the last moment of his life, mother has a power over him. Wife has the power over him. Daughters have the power over him. He is only a poor weakling. Weaker. Actually, men are the weaker sex. They are the weaker gender, not the women. They have a very great weapon. Ellarkume oru periya weapon irukum. The weapon irukku, it's a very, very powerful weapon that we have. Children use it most effectively. Women use it. Devotees use it. Ennadunna? Tears. If you cry, nobody can withstand it. Children cry and attain everything that they want. You are trying to be disciplined, everything comes collapsing. The moment the child starts crying, then everything is given up. Then you have to capitulate to the child. If a woman starts crying, the man has to capitulate. If the bhakta starts crying, God has to capitulate. அழுதால் உன்னை பெறலாமே அப்படின்னு சொன்னார். அழுதால் உன்னை பெறலாமேன்னு சொன்னார். If I cry, I know I can attain you. அப்படி வர மாணிக்க வாசகர் says, எனக்கு தெரியும், I know how to attain you. அழுதால் உன்னை பெறலாமே. If I cry, you will anyway melt and you will come. அப்புறம் ஆகும். ஏன்னா எப்படி இருந்தாலும் பரவாயில்ல. யானும் போய், என் அன்பும் போய், என் நெஞ்சும் போய், ஆனால் அழுதால் உன்னை பெறலாமே. அதே ஒரே பாசுரத்தில் சொல்கிறேன். In the same verse, மாணிக்க வாசகர் says, all of the, I know I am a lie. My heart is a lie, my love is also a lie, but if I cry, rhyming இருக்கு இங்கிலீஷில். In English at least it is very rhyming. I am a lie, my heart is a lie, my love is a lie, but if I cry, I can have you. I can attain you. The tearsக்கு அவ்வளோ ஒரு சக்தி இருக்கு. Crying is extraordinarily powerful, and here when Dasharatha sees Kaikeyi crying and feeling sad, உடனே he is not able to bear it. He says, அவரே சொல்றார், you know பலமாத்ம நிஜானந்தி, you know how powerful you are, you know how much control you have over me. You know the power that you have over me. அப்படின்னு he admits it, he confesses it. And he says he is willing to do anything for her. நினச்சி பாருங்க, I will take the life of somebody who doesn't deserve to be killed. அப்படின்னா என்ன நியாயம் இது? இவாத்து மாமியை சந்தோஷப்படுத்துறதுக்கு அவன் லைஃபா? To satisfy the queen, somebody's life should be taken. அப்போ what is the value of that fellow's life? ஒன்றும் வேல்யூவே கிடையாது. ஏன்னா she is upset about something, அதனால I will chop his head, she will be happy. Dasharatha's problem, if any, is attachment. Attachment to his wife, attachment to his son. He was attached to Kaikeyi, he was attached to Rama. Both these attachments are what ultimately tortures his heart and ultimately kills him, as it were. He gives up his life because of this. Atisneham. Excessive attachment towards Kaikeyi on the one hand and towards Rama on the other. At least Rama is Perumalnu solikalam. Rama at least is God. But he was not aware of that. He did not love Rama because Rama was Bhagavan. He loved Rama because he loved Rama. Em pulla, em muta pulla, he loved him. He loved him because he was his eldest son. And he loved Kaikeyi so much also. The Kaikeyi mele or attachment avarku. So when he promises Kaikeyi that I will give you whatever you want on the name of Rama, I promise, I swear. அப்படினே Kaikeyi gets up and she says, very good. அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு என்ன சொல்றா அப்படின்னா, immediately she doesn't ask. यथा क्रमे शपसि वरं मम ददासि च तच्छृण्वन्तु त्रयस्त्रिंशद्देवाः साग्निपुरोगमाः O king, you are repeatedly swearing, promising to grant me my boons. Let the 33 Trayastrimshat Devaha, let the 33 gods, primal gods, with Agni as the witness, listen to this promise. Chandradityau navaschaiva graha ratri agni dishaha जगच्च पृथिवी चेयं स गंधर्वा स राक्षसा निशाचराणि भूतानि गृहेषु गृहदेवता यानि चान्यानि भूतानि जानीयुर्भाषितं तव. Let the moon, let the sun, let the sky, let the planets, let the night, let the day, let the directions, let the Gandharvas, let the Rakshasas, let this earth, let the nocturnal Nishacharani, let the nocturnal spirits, Bhutani, let the family deities in every house, let all of them listen and bear witness to this promise that the king has said he will give me whatever I ask. Satyasaldo mahatejaha dharmajnaha susamahitaha varam mama dadatyesha tanme shrunvantu deivataha. O gods, please bear witness. This Dasharatha Maharaja, who is devoted to the truth, who is heroic, who is a knower of dharma, susamahitaha, who is self-controlled, this well-composed, this king has given me the promise that he will grant me my boon. You all bear witness. அப்படின்னு கைகேயி started to say. பார்த்தா தசரதா is a bit amused. என்னது இது? You know, it's like if a child says, Appa, will you buy me a book? Sure, darling. Promise? Yeah, sure. Next she brings a, the stamp paper. She brings a legal document with witnesses and says, now please sign here to say that you will promise to buy me the book. Will the father not laugh? Oh, natural. What is this? I will give you the book, I'll buy you the book. Like that she is saying, let the 33 crore devatas, let Surya, let the sun, let the moon, let the fire, let the quarters, let the earth, let the sky, let everybody bear witness, so the king is going to give me whatever I ask. Shari is Dasharatha is letting this drama go on, the charade play out. Yes, what is it that you want? Very sweetly. Catching hold of his hand, she says, you remember long time ago when there was a war that you attended between the Devas and the Asuras, and at that time you fell unconscious and I rescued you, and since I rescued you, you granted me 2 boons. I did not want those boons, I kept them with you in trust. Now I want to give those boons, get those boons from you. Those are the 2 boons I should give. Will you give those 2 boons to me? அப்படின்னு சொன்னோடனே வாங் மாத்திரேன ததா ராஜா கைகேய்யா ஸ்வவசே கிருதஹா பிரஜஸ்கந்த விநாசாய பாஷம் மிருக இவாத்மனஹ. வாங் மாத்திரேன ததா ராஜா கைகேய்யா ஸ்வவசே கிருதஹா அப்படின்னு ரொம்ப அழகான வார்த்தை. Vak matrena, by merely using words, the Kaikeyi had brought Dasharatha under her thumb. Pechiliye madakiputta. By just her words, she has controlled this king, she has brought him under her grasp, under her control. So Vashe. And when she asks this, the king jumps up to agree. Valmiki says, Pasham mriga ivatmana vinashaya, like a deer that is jumping into a trap, into a snare, without knowing it is going to its own destruction. Like that, the king jumped into this well-laid trap. These are the 2 boons that I wanted then. I am asking now, will you give it to me or not? These are boons that I have already given. For this, did you have to make such a big deal? Oh, sun is the witness, moon is the witness, gods are the witness. Already I have given, you are asking for the same thing again. Okay, what do you want? 2 boons. 2 boons. Abhishek samarambho ragavasyopakalpitaha anenaiva abhishekena bharato me Abhishichyata. Whatever preparations have been made for coronating Rama as the crown prince using the same materials, anena abhishekena iva, with the same materials, me bharataha, my Bharata should be crowned. First born. Yodvitiyo varo devadatta preetena me tvaya, and for the second boon that you have given to me with great joy and pleasure. Tada daivasura yuddhe tasya kalo yamagata. This is the time that has come for redeeming that second boon also, which you gave me then during the Devasura war. Nava panchacha varshani dandakaranyamashritah Chirajina jatadhari Ramo bhavatu tapasaha. Second boon, ennadina? Nava panchacha varshani, 5 years. 9 and 5 years. அப்படின்னா எவ்வளோ? 9 plus 5, 14. Nava panchacha varshani, 9 plus 5 yearsக்கு Dandakaranyam ashritaha, going to Dandakaranya forest. Chira, Ajina, Jatadari, clad only in Chira, bark, Ajina, deerskin, Jata, wearing matted locks. Ramo bhavatu tapasaha, Rama should live like an ascetic in the forest. Bharato bhajatamadya yavvarajyamagaltakau yeshame paramakamo dattameva varam vrune adya chaiva ki pashyayam prayantam ragavam vanam prayantam ragavam vanam. These are all boons that you have already given me. I am merely redeeming those boons now. With one boon, I want Bharata to be crowned as the king without any rival. And the second boon, I want Rama to go to the forest today itself. Adya chaiva hi pashyayam. I want to see him go today itself to the forest. Saraja Raja Bhava Satya Sangaraha. Hey Raja Raja, O King of Kings, Bhava Satya Sangaraha. Be truthful to your words. Kulam cha Sheelam cha hi Raksha Janma cha. Protect your clan, your character and your own life by living true to the truth, by staying true to your words. Paratravasehi vandatya anuttamam tapodanana satyavachohitam nranam. There is no greater tapasya than truth, adhering to one's own words. Therefore, keep to your words and grant me these boons. But when Dasharatha Maharaja heard these words from Kaikeyi, he was sitting there shell-shocked for a while. He did not know how to react, what to say. He did not even know if all this was real or is it just a hallucination. Kinnume yadiva swapna chitta moho piva mama. Is this a dream? Is this a dream? Am I just dreaming? Chitta moho piva. Or is it just a hallucination of my mind? Is there any reality to this? What is going on? Anubhuto pasargo va manaso va pyupadravaha. Is it a premonition? Is it an ill omen? Am I going through some kind of a deja vu, except for the future, where I am in anticipation of some terrible thing that is going to happen? Am I dreaming this kind of a situation? Then what is this? He kept thinking. He was not able to believe it. He was not able to understand it. He was just sitting there. Akho dik halas. This is all real. He was lying there for a long time without even speaking anything. He could not speak, it seems. Aparo slowly collected himself and looked at Kaikeyi. Ivala apdi chonna. This Kaikeyi, whom we thought was so loving to us, so interested in our well-being, did she say all of this? Namba mudiliye. Nrishamshe duštacharitre kulasyasya vinashini kim kritam tava ramena papam pape maya piva. Ramanala Kaika, Kaika, Bhadre, Priye, Kalyani. Whenever the king comes and sees her, he will say Kaika, Bhadre, oh auspicious one, Kalyani, Priye. Inniki pudusha pair vekkira. New names today. Nrishamse, oh cruel one, oh cruel woman. Dushta Charitre, oh woman of wicked character. Kulasyasya vinashini, oh destroyer of the family. Pape, oh sinful woman. Kim kritam tava ramena papam maya piva. What sin did Rama do to you, or what did I do to you either? Naan da enna panne unakku. Raman enna panna, na enna panne. What did we both do to you that you should say these words today? Rama was worshipping you, loving you as much as he would his own mother. Why are you then behaving in this manner, doing such an injustice to him? I brought you to my house, Vyali yatha, not knowing that you are a poisonous serpent. I brought you and kept you in the house. Today you are biting me. Jiva loko yada sarvo ramasya gunahastavam. Yattana verum, everybody is praising Rama's gunas. The entire world is praising Rama. Everybody is singing Rama's glories. When such is the case, for what crime should I send him to the forest? For what crime should I exile him to the forest for 14 years? He has not done anything wrong. Kausalyam va sumitram va tyajeyam api va shriyam jeevitam va atmano ramam natveva pitruvatsalam. I can give up Kausalya, I can give up Sumitra, I can give up all my wealth, I can give up my own life, but I cannot give up Rama, who is ever devoted to me, ever devoted to the father. Avana bhatale santoshama irke. If I look at him, I am so happy. If I do not look at him, my life itself loses meaning. Tadalam tejatamesh nischaya papa nischaya apite charani murdna sprisham yesha prasidame. Tadalam, enough. Tejatamesh nischaya papa nischaya, enough, give up this resolve, you sinful one. Enough of all of this torture. If you want, I will fall at your feet, I will touch your feet with my head. Apite charanau murdhana, charanai murdhana. Unde kala apite charanau murdhana sprashamyapi. I am ready to even touch your feet with my head. Prasidame, please be gracious to me. Kividam chintidam pape tvaya paramadharunam atha jignasase mam tvam bharatasya priya priye. Why are you having this kind of sinful resolve? Are you trying to find out whether, trying to discover my likes and or dislikes towards Bharata, how I am disposed towards Bharata? Adhikaha kekariya? Are you saying this just to find out whether I love Bharata or not? Irkato, let it be so. Earlier on, always used to say, Astu. Irkato, let it be. Ana, Purvam Vyakritam Raghavam Prati. You always used to say about Raghava, Same Jeshta Sutha, Shriman, Dharma Jeshta. Itivame. Yapume always used to say, Rama is my eldest son. He is the noblest one. He is my eldest son. Niye Shalvema. You used to say Rama is the eldest son. Then why is it that you are saying this kind of thing? You had some kind of a moral compass. What happened to that? How has your mind become so abased and debased that you are going to harm the glory of the entire race? Never before in the past have you done anything harmful to me, nor have I done anything harmful to you. Ennamo chumma, you're joking. Yeah, you're just joking. You're playing with me. I think you're angry with me because I didn't come and tell you the news first. What to do? I was very busy. I had to give all the instructions. Is that not what you're doing? You're just playing a joke. Subale. Oh, child, you're playing a childish joke. Why would you otherwise want Rama to go to the forest? 14 years ago, Rama forest liya. What do you want? Rama, who is so charming, who is always delighted to serve you, you want him to go to forest. Even Bharata is not here. For all these years, and Bharata was not here, it was Rama who was coming and serving you. Why would you want Rama to go to the forest? Ramo hi bharatad bhuyah stava susrushate sada vishesham tvai tasmatu bharatasya na lakshaye. In fact, Rama is the one who has always been serving you even more than Bharata. Therefore, I think you love Rama more than Bharata. You actually love Rama more than Bharata. You are just playing with me. Edo joke pan rahe liya. How can you wish to harm Rama, who is equal to the Devas, who is equal to the Rishis? How can you want to harm that Rama? And how can I go and say these words to Rama, go to the forest just to please you? Enough, don't play this game anymore. Mama vriddasya kaikeyi gatantasya tapasvinaha dinam lalapyamanasya karunyam kartumarghasi. Mama vriddasya kaikeyi, I am old, Mama Kaikeyi, I am very old. Gatantasya, I am almost near the end of my life. Deenam, I am pitiful, wretched now. Venkata, you should show karunyam to me, you should show compassion to me. Karunyam kartumarghasi, you should show compassion to me. The age when I could put up with all these jokes is gone. Now, even if it's a joke, I take it seriously. I am very old. Why should I do that? டாலரன்ஸ் இஸ் ரெடியூஸ்ட். அதனால நீ இப்படிலாம் பண்ணக்கூடாது. போகிற விளையாட்டு. அஞ்சலிம் கரோமி கைகேயி. ராஜா, 60,000-year-old ராஜா, he is telling his wife, third wife, அஞ்சலிம் கரோமி கைகேயி. ஏன் அப்படின்னா, ஏன்னா நமக்கு ஆர்டர் இருக்குது. அது வந்து கிங் இஸ் சுப்ரீம். As a king he is supreme, everybody has to salute him. As an person who is older than her, she should be saluting him. I'm not saying because women men ங்கிறதுக்காக சொல்லல. ஆனால் as an elderly person she should be saluting him. As the husband she should be saluting him. As the king she should be saluting him. அவன் சொல்ற அஞ்சலிம் கரும் குர்மி கைகேயி. கைகேயி, I salute you. अंजलिं कुर्मि कैकेयी. पादौ चापि स्पृशामि ते. पादौ चापि स्पृशामि ते. Even I am willing to even touch your feet. शरणं भव रामस्य मा धर्मो मामिह स्पृशेत्. Be the savior of Rama. Don't let sin come to me, because if I say no to you, sin will come to me, and then Rama will have to go to the forest. Adanal, act in such a way that you are saving Rama also. At the same time, you are making sure sin does not come to me. Give up this obstinacy. Give up this childish demand of yours. Let everything be forgotten. Let it be as though you never said anything. Marandudla. Let's forget it. इति दुःखाभिसन्तप्तं विलपन्तमचेतनं गूर्णमानं महाराजं शोकेन समभिप्लुतं. adjectives, ரொம்ப அழகான adjectives. iti, in this manner, dukkhabhisantaptam, tormented with grief, ache vilapantam, lamenting, achetanam, not thinking properly, gurnamanam, his head is spinning, head is reeling, shokena sam abhiplutam, overwhelmed with shoka. This king இப்படி இருக்கான். How is the king? அப்படின்னா, tormented by grief, lamenting, unable to think clearly, head reeling in sorrow and confusion, overwhelmed by pain. That king is asking, praying for relief from her. அவகிட்ட towards that king, Kaikeyi says, you promised to give me 2 boons. Now you are saying all of these things. Is this your righteousness? Dharmikatvam katham veera prithvyam kathayishyasi. How will you go out and open your mouth about dharma after failing to keep up your words that you just promised in such a bombastic way to me? When कथयिष्यन्ति धर्मज्ञ तत्र किं प्रतिवक्ष्यसि भगवस्त्वया राजऋष्यः सह यदा समेता. When you go to the court where so many different rajarishis will be sitting there, how will you talk to them? Will you go and say, यस्या प्रसादे जीवामि याचमामभ्यपालयत् तस्याः कृतं मया मिथ्या कैकेय्या इति वक्ष्यसि. Are you going to tell them, today you are all seeing me alive, it is because of the grace of my wife Kaikeyi, who although I broke my promises, forgave me and showed mercy to me. Abdina, are you going to go and confess to everybody? Will you be ready to tell them all? You gave me 2 boons and now you are saying you are not ready to give me those boons. You are not acknowledging them to me. Having promised it, you are not giving it to me. Are you not afraid of bringing dishonor to your clan, to your Ikshwaku Vamsha? Is this how you are going to stick to the truth? Let me tell you then. Let me tell you my resolve. If Rama is going to become the king, then I will drink poison and I will die. Ekahamapi pashyayam yadayam ramamataram anjalim pratigrunnanti shreyo nanum mritirmama. Even for one day, if I see Rama's mother receiving homage from everybody, I will immediately die. Na jealousy parunga. The jealousy that comes up, enna, I should not see Kausalya receive homage from anybody. அது பொறுக்கல அவளுக்கு. I cannot bear it. I swear upon my own life and Bharata's life. நீ மத்திர நீ ஷபேதே அப்படின்னு நீ சொன்ன இல்லையா, on Rama's name I swear அப்படின்னு. On Bharata's name I swear. If Rama does not go to the forest, I will not live. அப்படின்னு சொல்லி she turned her face and kept quiet. த்யாத்வா ராமேதி நிஸ்வஸ்ய ஹா ராமா அப்படின்னு நினச்சுட்டே the king fell down onto the ground, fell down. கீழே படுத்துட்டே கேட்குறான். lying down on the ground he is asking Kaikeyi, he is speaking to Kaikeyi, why are you behaving in this manner? What has happened to you? Bhuto bhakita chitteva bruvanti mam na lajjase. Do you not have any shame? Or has some evil spirit possessed you that you are speaking in this manner? முன்னாடியே நீ இப்படி இருந்து தெரிஞ்ச அவன் கல்யாணமே பண்ணிட்டு இருந்திருக்க மாட்டேனே, சொல்லி ஏமாத்தி கல்யாணம் பண்ணி விட்டாளே. I never knew that when you were young also you had this kind of perverse behavior embedded in you. If I had known, I would not have married you at all. I thought you were a good woman, I married you and I brought you into this house. You are asking for a boon, Bharata should become the king, Rama should go to the forest. Where did you even get this thought from? नृशंसे पाप संकल्पे क्षुद्रे दुष्कृतकारिणी किन्न दुःखमलीकं वा मयि रामे च पश्यसि. ओ cruel one. திருப்பி அழுக்கிறார். நிருஷம்சே, ஓ cruel one. பாப சங்கல்பே, ஓ woman of sinful resolve. க்ஷுத்ரே, ஓ vile creature. துஷ்கிருதகாரிணி, ஓ doer of evil deeds. What wrong or sin did Rama or I do to you? Be graceful to me, be graceful to Rama, be graceful to even Bharata. How can I tell Rama to go to the forest? I've asked everybody, I consulted everybody in the Sabha, I announced it to everybody. Everybody said, yes, let us have Rama as the king. Different kings that come from everywhere. In front of all of those kings, I made the statement. Now, how can I go back to all of them and say, sorry, Rama is not going to be the king, Rama is going to the forest instead? If they ask me why, I will say, my wife told me. Did you think about my honor? Did you think about the power of our Ikshvaku throne, our Ikshvaku Vamsha? When a king of Ikshvaku race, Ayodhya's king says something, then that is done. So it is said and so it is written. அதுக்கப்புறமா I cannot go back and say my wife told me to change the plan, therefore I am changing. Will I not become the laughing stock of the world? Will not everybody laugh at me? As a king, should I take instructions from the Antapuram? Kim mam vakshati Kaushalya Raghave vanamastite. When I send Rama to the forest, how can I face Kausalya? What will Kausalya tell me? Kim chainam prativakshami krita vipriyamidrisham. After having committed such an unpleasant act towards her, what reply can I give to her? Yada yada hi Kaushalya dasi vacha saki vacha भार्यावद् भगिनी वच्च मातृवच्चोपतिष्ठति सततं प्रियकामा मे प्रियपुत्रा प्रियं वदा न मया सत्कृता देवी सत्कारार्हा कृते तव. यदा यदा हि कौशल्या எப்படி இருக்கா தெரியுமா? You know how whenever Kaushalya is, from the moment I got married to Kaushalya, she has always been Dasi Vacha, like a slave servant to me. Saki Vacha, like a friend. Bharyavat, like a wife. Bhagini Vacha, like a sister. Matru Vacha, like a mother. Upatishtati. She has fulfilled all of these roles for me. At various times she has been a servant to me. She has become a wife to me. She has been a sister to me. She has been a friend to me. She has been even a mother to me. In every way she has looked after me. And on top of it, she has given me the most beloved son, Priyaputra, Priyam Vada. She has given that dear son to me, a soft spoken, sweet spoken Priyam Vada, that Kaushalya. Even though she deserves the best treatment, I have always neglected her because of my love for you. She has never received any proper attention from me. I have always given you more importance than her. In spite of that, she has always been faithful to me, loving to me, kind to me, serving me. What will I go and tell her? What answer will I give her when she asks me, why are you sending my son to the forest? Enna solluven? What can I say? If I am willing to send Rama to the forest, I have got another wife, Sumitra. Will she have any confidence in me? Will she not always be frightened? Oh, when will my two sons have to be sent to the forest? Oh, the king can do anything. Will not everybody lose confidence in me? We brought Sita from Videha Desham to here to keep her, to cherish her. This is the way are we going to treat her by sending her husband to the forest? With Rama living in the forest and Sita crying in sorrow of separation, Kausalya crying in sorrow, do you think I can continue to live for long? Sa nunam vidava rajyam saputra karayishyasi nahi pravrajite rame devi jivitamutsahe. You will certainly, Kaikeyi, you will certainly rule over the kingdom along with your son after becoming a widow. Because if Rama goes to the forest, don't think I will continue to survive. I cannot live. Satim tva mahamatyantam vyavasyam yasatim satim Rupinim vishasamyuktam pitve vamadiram naraha. Satim tvam. I thought you were a sati, a pativrata, a chaste woman. Alas, I have found out you are asatim satim. I am only confused. A wicked woman I thought was a devoted woman. Just as people sometimes drink alcohol without knowing it is poison. Vishasamyuktam, wine that is mixed with poison, thinking it is fine wine, people drink it, Madira, Naraha. And the Madri I have drunk you, and the Madri I have kept you close to me. Anrutair Bahumaham Sant Santvai, you used to speak very nice words to me, consoling words to me, but now I find out all of that is false, all of that is only to trick me, just as a hunter tricks, lures the deer so that he can ultimately kill it. Like that you have only acted in such a way to bring destruction to me. If I go out now, people will say, Putra Vikrayakam Dhruvam. People will say he is a seller of his son. He sold his son to satisfy his wife. Everybody will call those names to me. Dikkarishyam tiratyasu surapam brahmanam yata. If I go out in the street, people will criticize me and spit upon my face just as they would insult a brahmana who drinks alcohol. Surapam brahmanam yata. Or brahmanan alcohol shaptanna chi am brahmanane illa. He is no longer a brahmana. Like that I will be censured by everybody. Like a child handling a cobra without realizing what it is. I have caressed you, I have lived with you. Alas, everybody was going to say, my honor is gone, my pride is gone, my good name and fame have gone. Because if this comes true, then everybody is going to say, Balisho bata kamatma raja dasharato brisham yastri krite priyam putram vanam prastapayishyati. Everybody is going to say, what a foolish, lustful king Dasharatha is. For the sake of pleasing his wife, he is sending his son to the forest. Everybody is going to say, is the world going to keep quiet? You are asking Bharata to become the king. You are asking Rama to go to the forest. Do you think all of Ayodhya is going to sit and listen to it without condemning and criticizing me? Is that what you want? 24 years of age, prime of his life, the time when he should be enjoying the pleasures of his life, and you want him to go to the forest and become a tapasvi. And do you know what is the saddest part of all of this? Dasharatha says, do you know what is the saddest thing in all of this? Nalam dvitiyam vachanam पुत्रो मां प्रतिभाषितुं सवनं प्रव्रजेत्युक्तो बाडमित्येव वक्ष्यति न अलम द्वितीयं वचनं पुत्रो मां प्रतिभाषितुं. When I tell Rama, Vanam pravrajet, Rama, go to the forest. Abdini, if I tell him, do you know what Rama will say? Badam. Okay, pa. Okay, pa. All right, pa. Yes, dad. And he will not utter a word more. Nalam dvitiyam vachano putro mam pratibhashitum. He will not say a second word to me. That is the saddest part. Yenna. यदि मे राघवः कुर्याद् वनं गच्छेति चोदितः प्रतिकूलं प्रियं मे स्यान्न तु वत्स करिष्यति. If Rama says, how dare you ask me to go to the forest? Why should I go to the forest? If Rama should argue with me, I would consider that better. And he will not do that. He will simply walk away to the forest. My son will not do that. Natu vatsa karishyati. My son will not do that. He will go to the forest. It is better if he argued with me, but he will not do it. He will not know the struggle. He will not know anything. He will simply say, if I say go, abdina badamiti eva vakshati. Yes, then should come to one. Alas that I have such a good son. Alas that I have a good son. If I had a slightly disobedient son, he will cast aside my command and order, and instead he will stick with me. He will still stay in Ayodhya. At least I can be with him. This is one instance where I want my son to disobey me and be with me. Anna, my son will not disobey me. When I say go, he will go. For all those fathers who are upset that their sons don't listen to them, be happy. Dasharatha is sad that his son is listening to him. Dasharatha is sad that his son is listening to him. Some other fathers are sad that their sons are not listening to him. Whether the son listens or not listens, if you are going to be sad, you are going to be sad. Nobody can do anything to you. What can anybody do? Dasharatha Maharaja is sad that Rama is obedient. Many people are sad that their son is disobedient. Dasharatha is sad that Rama is obedient. Whether the obedience or disobedience do not matter. If you are going to be sad, you are going to be sad. If Rama goes to the forest, I will go to Yamaloka. With me dead and Rama banished to the forest, what else will you do? Will you be happy? Will you be satisfied with just sending Rama to the forest and killing me? Or are you going to do something to Kausalya, Lakshmana, Shatrugna, Ellarke da Panapuriya, Sumitra, Kala Panapuriya? Kaikeyi, you better send all of us to hell and be happy. Yenna, Sumitra will not be happy, Kausalya will not be happy, Lakshmana will not be happy, Rama will not be happy, Shatrugna also will follow. Neeyam Bharatana Matana Katinda Adungo. You and Bharata alone will have to rule over this kingdom. And when he mentions Bharata, immediately Dasharatha thinks about it and says, if Bharata is also okay with this plan, if Rama's exile is going to be something that is approved by Bharata or to Bharata's liking, then let him never perform any of the funeral rites that he should be performing as a son. Masma me Bharata karshit preta krityam gatayushaha. When I die, Bharata shall not have any right to touch my body. In all these manners, he is pleading with her, he is begging her, he is reasoning with her, he is reviling her, abusing her. Aduvum panni paakrar. Anartha bhave, artha pare, nrishamse. Anartha bhave, O malicious one, O evil one. Artha pare, O selfish one. Nishimse, oh cruel one, அப்படின்னு சொல்லி பார்க்கிறார். He is scolding her. He is trying to shock her into shame. He is trying to move her with finer feelings. He is trying to appeal to her nicer feelings. Everything is failing. Oh, but Shamarka, she is not even speaking to him. கோமா வருது அவருக்கு. பிரதாம்யவா பிரஜ்வலவா பிரணஷ்யவா சஹஸ்ரஷோவா ஸ்புட்டிதா மஹிம்ரஜ. நீ அழுதுகோ, you cry if you want, you burn yourself in the fire if you want, you go get destroyed if you want, even if you fall down on the earth and break yourself into 1,000 pieces, I am not going to do what you are asking. I will not do it. அப்படின்னு he scolds her. Again what does he say? அப்படின்னா திருப்பியும் மமாஹிதம் தேவி கர்த்துமர்கசி ஸ்பிருஷாமி பாதாவபி தே பிரசீத மே. அம்மா, I fall at your feet, I touch your feet, please do good to me, please be happy to me. இப்படி போய் ஏன்னா செல்ஃப் ரெஸ்பெக்ட் இருக்கு இல்லையா? his self respect is there, so he gathers himself up and shouts at her. Then he falls down and catches hold of her feet. Again he yells at her, go die அப்படிங்கிறார். Then he says, no, be merciful to me அப்படிங்கிறார். இப்படி பண்ணி ஏன் அப்படின்னா, why அப்படின்னா, initially see, Dasharatha's problem was initially he was very attached to Kaikeyi, and because of that attachment he said, I will give you whatever you want. Thereafter the sorrow is because of being bound by the words, bound by promise. All of the suffering, all of the sorrow that Dasharatha is undergoing is only because he has given the word, the promise. After all, he is still the king. He now hates Kaikeyi. There was a time when he loved Kaikeyi, but now that Kaikeyi is asked for this, he is now very clear there is no trace of love or affection left in his heart for her. He is ready to disown her. In a short while he is going to say, I disown you, I disown Bharata. Bharata will not touch my dead body. You are no longer married to me. The bond of marriage that existed between you and me has been dissolved. Talak should it. You and me have nothing to each other. Everything done. Analum he is begging her. He can easily say, arrest her, throw her into the prison. He can say all of that. He has the power to say all of that. After all, he was ready to kill somebody who doesn't deserve to be killed. Now he says, Kaikeyi, I wish you die. Then he can certainly kill her if he needs to. If nothing else, at least he can keep her in house arrest. Anything he can do. He has got the power to do all of that. But in spite of all of that, he is suffering like a worm that has been put on hot coals. If you take a poor earthworm and put it on hot coals, how will it suffer? Like that he is suffering because of the promise that he has given. The importance that he gives to truth is so much that when Kaikeyi asks for this boon, he cannot go against it. He is caught in a vice, unable to extricate himself. There is only one way out. Two ways really. One, he should go against his word, which he is not ready to. The other only thing that he can do is beg her to take back the conditions. Then everything is all right. She alone has the power to do it now. Again and again he is begging her, he is scolding her, he is trying to use his authority, it is not working. He is trying to beg, it is not working. It is not working. On the other hand, she says, Priya Satyavadi, Dridavrataha, you are always going to, you are so proud. I only speak the truth. I am firm in my vows. What happened to all of that? Why are you trying to avoid giving me my boons? She is only taunting him. Again he becomes very angry when she taunts him like that. He flies into her temper and she says, you ignoble woman. Mama, Amitre, you are my enemy. You will be happy only after I am dead. She is still not willing to listen. She is not willing to listen. Night is passing. The night that is supposed to be should have been so happy. The night that should have been spent in anticipation for the dawn to come, when Rama will be seated as the Yuvaraja. The day that he has been waiting to see since the day Rama was born. The day that everybody of Ayodhya was waiting. They were all waiting for the sun to rise up quickly. Dasharatha says, न प्रभातं त्वयेच्छामि निशे नक्षत्रभूषणे क्रियतां मे दया भद्रे मायायं रचितोऽञ्जलिः. ராத்திரியை பார்த்து சொல்றார். இஸ் லுக்கிங் அட் தி ராத்திரி தேவி அண்ட் he says, அம்மா, ஓ நைட், ஐ fold my join my palms in front of you, please don't go away, let dawn never come. Let dawn never come, let the daybreak never happen, because once daybreak happens I have got to break this news to Rama. Adanal, let this night continue, I do not want this night to end at all அப்படிங்கிறார். Again and again he prays to her, begs her. Avalo, she is not willing to listen to anything. In this manner the entire night passes. Yeah, we will stop because our night has come. And tomorrow we will continue again with the story. जानकी कांत स्मरणम. जय जय राम राम. आंजनेय स्वामी की जय. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु, लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु, लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु. ओम शांति शांति शांति. हरि ओम तत्सत्. श्री साई ईश्वरार्पणमस्तु.